Let's take a look at this electric spin scrubber from Oraimo. It comes well packaged with a lot of accessories. You get 3 different and very useful attachments, as well as a bag to put them in. And it's got 3 adjustment angles and lengths. It comes with a detailed user guide, step-by-step directions on how to charge it and use it. It even comes with 2 years of extended warranty. Putting it together is very easy. There's only 3 parts and they all click into each other easily. The attachments click into it very securely and are easy to remove as well. It even comes with a clip that allows you to hang it. And I really love the bag they included for all the attachments. The charging port is under a waterproof flap. Once you plug it in, it'll show you a red light, which will turn blue once it's charged. Alright, here's the disaster that we're gonna try and clean up. The previous owners of this house left us this sink. It looks like they used it to clean paintbrushes. All of this has dried onto it and it's very hard to get it off. I'm planning to use a combination of different soaps and maybe even rubbing alcohol. Let's attach the dome scrub head and give this a try. Although the gunk didn't come off immediately, after a few minutes of cleaning, I did see quite a big difference. Some of the more stubborn paint has still remained. I'll go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol to try and get that off. This machine made all the scrubbing effortless. While we're at it, let's go ahead and also clean the floors. Just like the sink, the floors look very bad. Much of this gunk has attached itself to the floors. I'm going to start off by spraying it down with some general cleaning agents. And I'm going to give it a few minutes to let it all soak in as well. Now I'm going to use the flat brush attachment. This is perfect for floors. And in order not to strain my back, I'm also going to go ahead and extend the length of my spin cleaner. While I was cleaning, I saw an immediate difference. The scrub was able to take out all this gunk very quickly. I only had to run the scrubber over the gunk just for a few moments and it came off. I really love how comfortable this was to do. And here's the end result. It looks sparkling clean. All the previous paint particles and gunk that was stuck onto the sink has completely been removed. And the floors look just as good as well. I really recommend this product. Thanks for watching and I hope you found my video informative.